Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix it. So guys, you can fix it very easily. So guys, first of all, just simply open App Store, settings, and from here guys you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN from here. And after that guys, you have make sure that your SIM network is working properly. Now after that, tap on General and then tap on About, scroll down, and here you can see language origin and make sure that your language origin is correct. And after that, tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct and set automatically toggle is turned on. Now after that, go back and scroll down, and here tap on shutdown. So guys, shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again, and after that check if your problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap your reset, and then tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone password and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your network setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If still having this problem, then go to the Apple support, and after that go to the Apple support team, and after that you can see here. So guys, simply describe your problem in a brief way, and after that they will try to fix your problem within 24 hours. So guys, go to the Apple support and describe your problem, and after that guys, they will fix your problem. So guys, hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.